I am surprising my teenage son with a new desk chair, as his chair is from when he was back in elementary school. It's too small, it's not nice, and I want to level up his chair for him, especially as he moves into more and more gaming and we consider adding gaming to his room. I know he's going to love this high quality gaming chair. Now, I did a lot of research before I got this and I feel really good about this option. So in this video, I am going to unbox this, put it all together so you can see how easy it is to put together, and then go over the details at his desk. Let's do it. To start off with, you get all the hardware and the tool you need to put it all together. The bottom cushion is already exciting me. It's super soft, faux leather, feels really good. Nice stitching throughout, simple base. And I'm also loving the back here. It has this breathable portion between the back and the headrest. It has a lot of really nice cushioning throughout. Really, really clean on the back. And the armrests also have really nice cushioning, clear labeling on everything as well. Not to mention it's all pretty obvious how it goes together. The casters are plastic. This is one con I would say for this chair, is I wish that these were metal casters, but they do spin very smoothly. They do have metal in the middle, so hopefully these will hold up. And these are some of the easiest assembly instructions I've seen. I definitely see quite a range, and this is a great set. Very clear and straightforward how this all goes together. And here it is. Before I try it at my son's desk, let's just go over the features real quick. It has really nice spin. I love how supportive it is. Really nice cushioning throughout, including on these armrests. I could definitely spend a lot of time on these. And if you don't want the armrests, you can just push them right out of the way. This does not act as a headrest, but that's fine for me. It's actually one of the reasons why I picked this chair, as I do find that some of the gamer chairs are just a lot. And this one has still that gamer style without overtaking a room's style, especially if you don't have a full gamer room. And then it does have controls. You can make it quite short, and you can make it taller than I would ever need it to be. And I'm 5'11", so it has really good height. And then it also can be locked so it stays upright, or you can free it and then the whole chair actually tips, which right now I'm too tall to show that. So let me make it a little shorter here. But if I'm a little shorter, I can lean back and play. Gives me really nice tip. I do hear a little bit of the leather when I do that, which is kind of funny, but I'm sure that's just because it's brand new and that'll go away really quickly. And here's my son's current chair. I'm embarrassed that I've let him use this all the way into becoming a teenager, as this is way too small. So let's upgrade. And this is a massive improvement. It's extremely comfortable. I can see him sitting in this for hours at a time. Right now, this desk is only for him doing homework, and we have a gaming room downstairs, but in the coming years, I hope he doesn't watch this video. I know that this will become a gaming setup. I will be upgrading this to a gaming table over time and setting him up here so he has the space within his room to really play. But the first start is this chair, and this is a great chair. I would say that because this desk has such a thick front, these armrests will not go under it as they are, but since I can pop them up, that makes it really easy to roll it in when not in use. It spins cleanly, it's super comfortable, and I know he is going to love this. So if you are on the hunt for a really comfy gaming chair that really will work in a variety of spaces, I think this is a really great option.